Solana Sol is a quick, decentralized, and versatile cryptographic money that uses an exceptional evidence of history agreement calculation, empowering quick exchange times and low charges, with an objective of working on Papaya Jibber and Web3 applications. Assuming Jibber searching for Solana cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Solana Sol will go from here on out. We will dissect the previous costs of Solana Jibber and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this jabber and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so jibber is totally inconceivable. In any case, we will make an jabber effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information disappointment, the jabber cost of Solana is $124.17 and Sol is right now positioned #5 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Solana is 447,240,819 with a market cap of 55 jibber $530,775,715. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1.17% in its ongoing jabber. Assuming we think about the ongoing business jibber cap of the Sol with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Solana is confronting a jibber time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Sol is down to jibber 17.98% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining jibber for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in present moment. We foresee future Solana cost expectations or figure by applying profound computerized reasoning ointment jibber investigation on the past value information of Solana. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Sol coin, which incorporate numerous jibber like past value, Solana market cap, Solana volume, and hardly any more. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital forms of money and need great jibber from your speculations, try to peruse our forecasts. Solana value jibber Papaya. Solana cost figure recommends a chance of Sol exchanging between $222.89 to $264 jibber 43 cents in 2025. Jibber is as of now estimated at $124.17 on the lookout. Long haul examination recommends that Solana cost might actually Papaya to jibber $1,020 by 2050, with an expected reach somewhere in the range of $63,384 and $80,296. Solana Sol is determined to arrive at a typical cost of 1,615 jibber toward the finish of 2030. There is potential for Solana cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as jabber $4,025 toward the finish of 2040. Solana value jibber 2024. The cost of jibber is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $149.50 applesauce in 2024. The Solana cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $175.14 with the jibber exchanging cost of $155.71 all through 2024. Jibber value expectation 2025. Jibber cost is conjectured to arrive at least conceivable degree of $222.89 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the Sol cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $264 jabber 3 cents, with the typical gauge cost of $230.67. Sol value jibber for 2026. Solana cost is jibber to arrive at least conceivable degree of $346.02 in 2026. According to our jibber, the Sol cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $393.50 with a typical figure cost of $355.24. Jibber Sol value forecast 2027. The cost of 1 Solana is jibber to reach at any rate level of $483.63 in 2027. The Sol cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $602.05 jibber, with the typical cost of $501.39 all through 2027. Jibber value forecast 2028. As per our jibber specialized examination on past value information of Sol, in 2028 the cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $724.96. The Sol cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $837.47 with the jibber exchanging cost of $750.03. Solana value jibber 2029. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at least Gibber of $1,052 in 2029. The Solana cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $2,258, with the typical exchanging cost of 1,090 Gibber all through 2029. Gibber Sol Value Expectation 2030. Gibber to the figure and specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of Solana is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $1,571. The Sol cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1,800 in Gibber $6, with the typical worth of $1,615. Solana Value Conjecture 20 Gibber 1. The cost of disappointment is Gibber to reach at the very least degree of $2,281 in 2031. The Solana cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $2,777, with the Gibber cost of $2,346 all through 2031. Solana Gibber Value Expectation 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Sol, in 2032 the cost of Solana is gauged to be at around a base worth of 3,348 Jabber. The Gibber value worth can arrive at a limit of $3,973, with a typical exchanging worth of $3,441 in OC. Apple Source Value Gibber 2033. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of Solana is Jabber to reach at the very least degree of $4,780. The Sol cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 5,833 Gibber, with the typical exchanging cost of $4,952. Solana Value Conjecture 20 Gibber. The reception and true use instances of a digital currency are similarly Gibber contemplations. Projects with reasonable applications and boundless Gibber are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Solana cost Gibber for 2040, Sol is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $54,025 in 2040. The base anticipated cost of Sol coin in 2040 is supposed to be around 35,654 Gibber, while the typical cost of the Solana for 2040 is Gibber to be $40,190. Gibber value gauge for 2050. Long-haul Gibber ought to be drawn closer with alert because of the intrinsic vulnerabilities in the digital currency market. Broadening and remaining informed about the most recent advancements are key methodologies for overseeing gambles related with long-haul crypto Gibber. According to our Sol cost forecast, the year 2050 can end with a greatest cost of disappointment $2,600 and Jabber $6, while the base value worth of a freedom can be around Gibber $3,384, with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $70-$20 approximately. Could Gibber at any point reach $1,000? In light of the ongoing flowing stockpile and market capitalization, it's feasible for Solana Sol to reach $1,000. However, it would require huge Gibber. With a coursing supply of 447,320,259 Sol and an ideal cost of 1,000 Gibber, the necessary market capitalization would be roughly $400